Hey guys, it's BW. It's Sunday evening and I'm back out in the garage. We had a busy week. This is the first time I really had the opportunity to come out in the garage and get anything done. We're going to take it easy. We worked around that house today and now we're just out here doing our projects in the garage. I'm going to go over here to the passenger side and I'm going to finally clean up those welds in the rocker area. And I'm going to quit putting off this back channel and I'm going to finally dress that too. Stick around and check us out. Okay guys, if you remember, you got a little bit of surface rust right there and I got to clean those welds off, get that surface rust out of there, and I want to get a little bit of paint on there. Get that taken care of. And it'll only take a couple minutes. I've been procrastinating. Let me get it done. Got a little bit right there too. Also underneath here, I got a few areas that I never put the paint on, where we got our spot welds where we connected the inner rocker to the outer rocker, and I just got to get all these areas right here and throw some paint on them as well. All right, it'll only take a couple minutes, but it's those little things that I got to get knocked out. All right guys, well, we got it cleaned up. It looks pretty good. It's not going to win the best job award, but it's nice and smooth. It looks pretty good. There's a few little tiny high spots, but I don't want to take all the weld out. I figure maybe we'll just put a little tiny Bondo in there and sand it up real nice when we get ready. But for right now, just to stop it from rusting, we're going to put some of this Krylon Fusion. It was whatever was on sale, satin black. All right, so we're just going to put that on there real quick. I'll lay underneath and take care of the bottom as well, and then I'll bring you guys back in. All right, guys, I painted up that rocker panel area on the passenger side. I went ahead and I sanded this channel while I was at it. It came out pretty good. There's a couple little dips where I got a little carried away with my rotary file, but overall it's a nice job. We're going to throw a coat of paint on there to keep it from rusting up. And once the window and the caulk is in there and the trim, it'll be our little secret. I don't think anybody will ever notice. It's mechanically sound and it's in the correct place. Can't be more happy with that job. All right, so we can finally say checklist complete on that. We went ahead and painted up this rocker area. I just hit the whole thing. I don't know why. I guess I felt like I was Picasso, except Picasso wouldn't have had runs here, 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 and here. That's one thing if I had to complain about that Fusion paint. It runs really easy. It's got great coverage. And it's cheap enough when it's on sale, but like I say, if you're not careful, you'll get a couple runs. But that's just 2 or 3 more cross strokes whenever I start the body work sanding it up. But let me get this painted. I'll bring you back in. We'll have a brief conversation and then we'll take it from there. All right, well, we got it all painted out. Forgot to show you in the last clip, I did clean up all the rust. It was in there and we shot it with a quick coat of the Fusion. It ran up in that corner again. I'll go over there and show you, man. I tell you, you got to be real careful with that stuff. I shook it up real nice, held it away. I never seen a rattle can that ran so quickly as this stuff right here. This Fusion, all in one. I'm not going to complain about it. It's a good, you know, keeping the rust off. It covers like nobody's business, but you got to be careful. Look at those runs, right there. I mean, it's something else, but that's what it is. I think I'm going to take a couple days and just scrub this shop and clean up this car. I mean, the dust on top of it. I wiped this thing off 3 times before I put the primer. I blew it down. I vacuumed it off, and there's still little particulates and everything. Nothing to worry about. Like I said, it's just keep it from rusting right now. But yeah, I need to scrub this shop up. Another thing too, I think I'm getting ready to make another video real soon of starting the engine again, only because I put 3 gallons of that 50/50 in the radiator, and then I had to top it off with almost a little over 2 gallons of water. And now it's only a light tint, because I don't think when we ran it last week, I don't think the thermostat ever opened up on it. And if it did, it just started to open. But I'd like to mix that up real good before winter gets here, because I don't need anything freezing. I might even get one of those and just pull some of that off and put some straight concentrate, like a half a gallon of straight concentrate right in the top, and then it'll mix it up real nice. I'll think about it for a day or two and decide what I'm going to do there, but we're going to fire that thing up again. We have to. Proper maintenance, right? I think I'd like to get a couple gauges just to keep an eye on things too. So we'll see. I mean, I know it's got good oil pressure. I saw it on the dyno a few months back, what, 8, 9, 10 months back, but we still want to keep an eye on things. But I would like to see where that thermostat opens up at, because I didn't see it open. I mean, and I want to check and make sure that happens. I know there wasn't much meat to this, and it's only a little mini video. I'll go in and look at it, edit it out, and see if I even want to put it up yet, or if I want to add some content to it. We'll see. It's either going up and you're going to see what I got, or I'll edit this little piece I'm talking to you out, and we'll keep going with the video. Hey guys, it's BW, and I'm back out in the garage. Hey listen, I'm having a giveaway on my channel to try to promote it and bring more people in. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away this Craftsman all steel 20-inch toolbox. But there's a bonus. I've commissioned my wife to hand paint the Mr. Horsepower on it. And I mean, the girl's got some skills. This is the one she's painting on it. It's going to be maybe scaled 2 sizes smaller to fit the box. She's working on that one for me right now. But here it is. That's like the first coat. Guys, it takes a few coats, but man, oh man, I'm going to show you the progress as she works through the job. And tell as many people as you can. Let's get some people in here, okay? It'll make a nice addition to your man cave or your she shed if you don't have a hot rod. But as soon as we hit 1,000, I'm randomly giving it to one of you. Take care, everybody.